Topic 1. The recent surge in bond yields is impacting global finance, affecting borrowing costs and investment strategies. Recently, there has been a significant rise in bond yields worldwide, greatly affecting financial markets. The yield on the U.S. 10-year Treasury bond has increased by about 0.5 percentage points over the past month, reaching 4.8%, the highest level in 14 months. This rise in yields is increasing borrowing costs for various loans, such as mortgages, credit cards, and auto loans, putting a strain on borrowers. Conversely, the increase in bond yields, which are considered safe investments, may provide better returns for savers. Not only in the U.S., but the surge in UK bond yields is also posing risks to economic growth plans and negatively impacting the British pound and stock market. This situation is amplifying concerns about high government spending and instability in the bond market globally. Additionally, rising bond yields may serve as a warning signal for the stock market, as high interest rates can slow economic activity and weaken corporate profits. However, some experts believe that the stock market may perform better than expected. In conclusion, the surge in bond yields is increasing borrowing costs and necessitating changes in investment strategies, having widespread effects on the global financial market. Topic 2. TikTok faces potential challenges in the U.S., with China considering selling its U.S. operations to Elon Musk. TikTok is facing a potential ban in the U.S., and the Chinese government is considering selling TikTok's U.S. operations to Elon Musk as a solution. This plan is being reviewed in light of the possibility that the U.S. Supreme Court may support a law requiring TikTok's parent company, ByteDance, to divest its U.S. business. If the law is enacted, third-party service providers supporting TikTok could face sanctions. Should Elon Musk acquire TikTok's U.S. operations, he would oversee it alongside his current ownership of X. However, this plan is still in its early stages, and it is unclear whether ByteDance is aware of it. A spokesperson for TikTok referred to the reports as pure fiction and declined to comment further. Topic 3. Robinhood faces a $45 million fine from the SEC for securities violations. Robinhood Markets has been fined $45 million by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, for multiple violations of securities laws. The violations include inaccurate reporting of trading activities, failure to timely report suspicious transactions, and failure to protect customer information. The SEC stated that Robinhood failed to safeguard sensitive customer data from 2019 to 2023, did not prevent hacking attacks, and had errors in basic record-keeping. Robinhood claims that most of these issues are historical and have already been resolved, expressing hope for cooperation with the new administration. Topic 4. The Biden administration's student loan forgiveness plan continues with the cancellation of loans for 150,000 borrowers. President Joe Biden has announced the cancellation of student loans for over 150,000 borrowers as he approaches the end of his term. This brings the total number of borrowers who have had their student loans forgiven under the Biden administration to over 5 million. The newly announced beneficiaries include more than 80,000 borrowers defrauded by their schools, over 60,000 borrowers with total and permanent disabilities, and more than 6,000 public service workers. The Biden administration has focused on modifying and expanding existing student loan forgiveness programs, allowing for the expansion of forgiveness options even after the Supreme Court invalidated Biden's initial plan in 2023. These efforts aim to alleviate the repayment burden for the most economically vulnerable borrowers. President Biden emphasized improvements to the Public Service Loan Forgiveness Program, corrections of administrative errors in income-driven repayment programs, and an increase in the maximum Pell Grant limit for low-income college